Hi, we have a lot of cutlery inserts in our assortment. The one that I'm going to show you here is the Cusio. Now what's so special about this Cusio cutlery insert? A, it is completely flexible from a 30 centimeter width drawer up to 120 centimeter width drawer. In other terms, a 1 foot drawer to a 4 feet drawer. Now that gives you the possibility to keep all your kitchen appliances. The another good thing about the cutlery insert Cusio is that the dividers that are there in it can be placed individually where the user would like to use it or have them. Sometimes you don't want to have any insert, a divider in between. You can have for complete long utensils. If you have small utensils, you could have 2 dividers, and we customize all these Cusios to your requirement. Thank you. Tailor-made.